How to recover old WhatsApp messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to recover the old WhatsApp messages, first of all, launch the File Manager application on your device. As you launch the File Manager, make sure that you get the view of folders over here. So here you can see the internal shared storage. Now just tap on Android and then tap on Media. Now here you can see the option of com.whatsapp. So just go get into it, tap on the WhatsApp and tap on the databases and just select all of these data. Now just tap on more section and then tap on copy. Now as you tap on copy, you can just go back to the folder, and as you go back to the folder, you can see the option of backups over here. So just you can go and see on the data. So whenever you see the backup option over here, you can just go and launch the option of backup and you can just save it and paste it, and then you'll be able to get or recover your old WhatsApp messages over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.